So hey everyone, this is Siddharth, and today we will be solving another question on LeetCode, which is best time to buy and sell stock. So this is a third kind of problem in this category, and I have discussed its first part on my channel before. I would suggest that you can watch that video as well. So exactly what we have to do in this problem is that we have given an array, and each element in this array is representing the price of the stock, and its index is it's the day of the price of the stock. So what we have to do, we have to do at most through transaction, and we have to maximize our profit. Like we will buy the stock on the first day and we will sell it on the second day, third day. So in this way we have $2 profit. And what next we will do, we will again buy the stock on second day and we will sell it on the uh, third day. Then also we have $2 profit. So in this way we have to maximize our profit. So basically there are three approaches to solve this problem. First one is dynamic programming approach, second one is divide and conquer, and the third one is just a single traversal using for loop and initializing some variables, uh, and we can solve the problem. So I will be discussing the third approach, and that will going to be the optimized approach as well. So let's try to solve this question using our third approach. So let's see. So what exactly we will be doing in this question is that, suppose we have bought a car for 10,000 rupees, and we have sold it for 11,000. So the profit that we will get from our first transaction is 1k. So for the next time, because we have to do two transactions, so for the next time when we will buy another car, we have extra 1000 rupees. So now we have to, technically we have to pay only 9,000, 9k for buying another car. So now we have buy another car for 9k and we have sold it for 12k suppose. So we have extra 3000 profit. So the total profit that will have is 3000, because this will be the uh, final profit, because we have considered our profit in a cost price of the second transaction. So in this way what we will going to do, we will try to maximize our profit in this whole cycle. So this is the concept that we will be using in this problem. So let's try to code this out. So first we will assigning a first day, first by as integer dot, because we want to find the minimum price, so we will assigning maximum, integers maximum value. Now we will assign a first cell, which will going to be 0 for the first time, and let's assign the second by as well. Now let's assign the second cell as well, which will going to be 0 again. Now we will start traversing into our array and we will try to maximize our profit. So let's assign a for each loop, price and prices. So what we will going to do, first we will do our first transaction. So doing our first transaction. So for first transaction, let's try to find the minimum price for our first stock. So first buy will equals to math dot minimum of our first buy itself and our price, which is our current price of the stock. Now let's try to sell it as well. So first cell will going to be, because we have to maximize our first cell, so math.max of first cell, and the profit will going to be our current price minus the price at which we have bought the stock. So price minus first buy. Now let's start doing our second transaction. So let's try to buy the stock first. So second buy will going to equals to maths.min, same as our what we have done in our first transaction. So second buy comma, now we have to consider the profit that we have gained from the first transaction. There that's what I have told while I'm making you understand the problem here, that the extra 1k that we have got, we have to take care of that as well. So that will going to be price minus first sell. So this line will take care of the profit that we got from the first transaction. Now let's try to find the second cell, which will going to be our final profit. So maths dot max of our second cell and our price minus second buy. So this will give us the maximum this will give us the max profit in our first transaction, in our first traversal. So after that we will traverse our whole array. We will able to find the maximum profit that we have got by selling and buying on each day. So now in the end we have to return the profit that we got, which will going to be second cell. So now let's try to run this code. Okay, all the test cases have been processed. Now let's try to submit this problem as well. Okay, so we have solved the problem. So thank you, see you in the next video, bye.